If you're tired of losing opportunities, pushing off investments, and not having enough capital to scale your business, watch this video until the end. I don't know if you knew this, but 7 out of 10 businesses in the United States leverage debt in one way or another. This means statistically 70% of your competitors right now are leveraging debt to do several things, including making large purchases like assets or buying equipment. They may even be leveraging high-limit credit cards to increase their marketing spend. Even saving money on taxes. Did you know all interest on business debt is actually a write-off? You know what's even better than a tax write-off? Not having to pay interest at all. Your competitors may be leveraging debt inside of their business, but they don't know this one thing I'm about to tell you. Most business owners don't understand is how 0% interest funding actually works. 0% interest funding sounds like a marketing gimmick, but I'm here to tell you it's real, and most business owners don't understand how to truly leverage it to get high limits fast. 0% interest funding is referring to credit cards that offer 0% interest for a promotional period. When you combine that with relationship managers and insider knowledge, we can guarantee we secure you $50,000 to $150,000 in 0% interest. Who can actually qualify for this? Well, if you have a 700 credit score and an LLC over 30 days old and you don't have any major delinquencies like a bankruptcy or $30,000 in debt you can't pay off on your credit card bill, you could access $50,000 to $250,000. Around 3 years ago, I owned a home service business, and before I understood funding, I made major costly mistakes. For example, I bought a van for the business when one of our trucks went down, and because I was desperate at the time, I took the first deal that the dealership offered me, and I accepted a 30% interest loan. This could have easily been avoided if I knew what I know now. Later on in that business, I was able to access $50,000 in 0% interest and consolidate my van debt as well as double my marketing spend in that same month. Chase loans out $7.5 billion on a daily basis, and $6.1 billion of that goes to businesses. Most business owners can walk into a bank like Chase and secure $5,000 to $10,000, but let's be honest, that is nowhere near enough capital to scale your business. That's where our fast funding formula comes in. There are 3 simple steps that we use to secure $50,000 to $150,000 in 0% interest for business owners. Step 1, personal credit optimization. We audit your inquiries, your credit history, and key data points that these banks are looking for when they're making approval decisions. And we help you position everything correctly. Step 2, business optimization. Small things matter more than people realize, like having the correct business address, the proper structure, but don't worry, we handle all the back-end work for you. Step 3, and this is the biggest one, lender positioning. We help you establish the right relationships with banks and lenders so when your profile is ready, they will be competing to lend you money. Here are some results we've recently got for some of our clients. We've been able to fund over $10 million using the fast funding formula. Other companies that offer funding services apply the same template to every profile, hoping they get results. Every business and every one of our clients has a unique situation, so we offer a fully done-for-you service that's tailored to your exact financial situation. We guarantee that we secure you $50,000 to $150,000 in 0% interest. We're so confident in that offer that we work completely on commission base. If you're not a good fit, we simply will not make you an offer. You don't get funded, we don't get paid. We do have access to relationship managers at major banks to increase our approval odds and our approval amounts. If you'd like to speak with me or someone on my team to receive a free credit audit as well as a pre-approval estimate, I want you to do 2 things. Go ahead and book a call below, and we request you have a copy of your credit report before our call, just so we know exactly what we're working with. If you don't already have a copy of your credit report, we've linked 2 resources down below. One costs $1 to pull your credit report, and one is free. I'm excited to show you what's possible, and I look forward to meeting you.